Big J.
Post Mambo. Yo, we buy. Queen Akisha.
Yo, Wam Nanga go black. Watch a Misa black. Changi Rai black. Wamugabe black. PTK black. What you think about that? A whole heap of great, some of the greatest people Zimbabwean history document that. Unite Zimbabwe, unite Zimbabwe. Nguwa yondo ya toa ndoro wondo. Bane Zimbabwe kafika nyika yedu. Unite Zimbabwe, unite Zimbabwe. Nguwa yondo ya toa ndoro wondo. Bane Zimbabwe kafika nyika yedu. My point is, the mission ready me no matter what the fight is. And it was written long before the 80s and the 90s, before the Bonef and the herbs and spices. Black people don't get caught in a them system. Just overcome and don't become a victim. Got them system set, freedom get the future, only history gets so free.